John here with Warmboard. I'm here with Matthew just outside Sturgis, Michigan. Matthew is doing a brand new home build for him and his family and installed our Warmboard Comfort System. So Matthew, just want to ask you a couple questions about how the installation went.
It went great. The main thing is that I had to just, take one step at a time. I don't have any engineering schooling or plumbing schooling or any degrees of any kind. If I just go one step at a time and not be overwhelmed with all the information, it would go perfect. I mean, just one step at a time is the main thing. Don't look at the next day's project. Just one step at a time, and at the end of the day, it all falls right into place. I can't say enough how well this system has been designed and just thought through. It's just incredible how well it's thought through that somebody with an 8th grade education like myself, I can put this together, and it is a very high-tech system.
Oh, that's great to hear. And as far as the plans that we provided you with and all the components of the system, you were able to follow the plans pretty easily?
Just so easy. Everything is so spelled out. If something is amiss, it's with myself.
Okay.
That insofar as not having it, read right or something that I had questions on. And speaking of questions on, all I did is just pick up the phone and spoke with either you or Sierra. Sierra is, I don't know what she's going to get paid, but she needs to be paid more because she was
She's a great project manager, isn't she?
She was just amazing. Just call any time of day, and she always had an answer. If she didn't, she reached out to someone and she got back with me. That's the best part, is that you would return calls. And
last thing you wanted to do is be waiting on hold for a half hour and not being able to get a hold of somebody, right?
Exactly. If I had a question and I wanted to keep moving forward, 3 minutes later, she had the answers. Like, great, that's what I wanted. Thank you.
That's great.
And I was on the way. So
we always like to hear that. That's for sure. And as far as getting you use the Warmboard S panels for your structural subfloor, and then you're using Warmboard R panels upstairs. So as far as the panel installation, everything went pretty smooth as well?
Went great. My builder was unfamiliar with it, so he was unsure about wanting to be the foreman per se, putting these down. He kind of put it on me to be there, so I was here to get the subfloor started, and perfect.
Just kind of followed the plan that we provided you, color-coded panels.
Just follow the plan. Everything is color-coded. Everything is just, it's all right there. It's like, do this, do that, plop, 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 and it just, everything fell into place, literally.
Oh, it's great to hear. It's really great to hear. Well, I hope you and your family really enjoy the amazing radiant heat you're going to be provided this winter.
It's wonderful.
And I know you're going to love the warm floors and the kids playing around.
I walk in here and I'm always so grateful in these sub-zero temperatures. It is, 20 below with wind chill out there, and I run this system on a timer. It's still on construction mode.
Yeah.
I run it on a timer, 3 hours at the heart of the night.
Okay.
From 2 to 5, and I walk in here the next morning, and it is still some 59 degrees when I walk in here.
Yeah, I hear a lot of people ask me about if it can serve as a primary heating system. It certainly can. Yeah,
it is just amazing. So, and one other thing I want to add is just the quality of everything. I mean, everything is just
you did a really nice job getting everything hooked up.
Everything feels solid. Everything, it's got good components. That's the next thing to customer service, is good components.
Excellent. Well, I'm glad you had such a good experience installing it.
And thank you for making a great experience.
Of course.
I appreciate it.
Of course.
And I want to thank Sierra as well. She was a very big part of the satisfaction.
That's excellent to hear.
That I could give such a high rating is just the customer service. So.
Great. Well, thank you very much for your time today. We appreciate it.
You bet.
Excellent.
Look forward to working with you on other projects if there ever is one.
Oh yeah, we'll definitely work with you again in the future here.
All right.